For the best price, click the link in the description. /N/N. Are you tired of mediocre portable speakers that can't deliver on their promises? You find yourself stuck with a speaker that's too heavy, too bulky, or just plain unimpressive. /N. But here's what surprised me about the Donner DED-400. This baby packs a punch. N. Not only is it sleek and compact, but it also boasts an impressive 20-hour battery life and wireless connectivity. N sounds like a dream come true. Well, let me tell you, I was skeptical at first too. N. But as I delved deeper into the world of portable speakers, I discovered that there's more to the Donner DED-400 than meets the eye. The Donner DED-400 is a 5-inch driver portable speaker designed for outdoor enthusiasts and music lovers alike. N. It features a rugged IPX4 water-resistant design, making it perfect for beach trips or camping adventures. N. The speaker also comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides up to 20 hours of playback time on a single charge. But what really sets the Donner DED-400 apart is its impressive sound quality. N. With a frequency response range of 50 Hz, 20 kHz, this speaker delivers crisp and clear audio that's perfect for music enthusiasts. N. The speaker also features a built-in microphone for hands-free phone calls and voice commands. However, I did encounter some minor issues with the speaker's connectivity. N. At times, it would randomly disconnect from my phone or device, requiring me to restart both the speaker and my device. N. But overall, the Donner DED-400 has been a game-changer for me, and I'm excited to share more about its features and performance. The Donner DED-400 also comes with some additional accessories, including a carrying pouch and a charging cable. N. The speaker's compact design makes it easy to take on the go, and the carrying pouch provides extra protection against scratches and damage. N. But what really impressed me was the speaker's ability to connect seamlessly with my phone or device via Bluetooth. One of the standout features of the Donner DED-400 is its impressive bass response. N. The speaker's 5-inch driver delivers deep, rich bass that's perfect for music lovers who crave that extra oomph. N. But don't just take my word for it, let me share some real-life results from my own testing. In terms of sound quality, the Donner DED-400 impresses with its clear and crisp audio. N. The speaker's frequency response range is impressive, and the bass response is surprisingly strong considering the speaker's compact size. N. But what really stood out to me was the speaker's ability to handle high volumes without distorting or warping. So why should you consider the Donner DED-400? For starters, it offers exceptional value for its price. N. The speaker's rugged design and impressive sound quality make it a great investment for outdoor enthusiasts and music lovers alike. N. But don't just take my word for it, let me share some real-life results from my own testing. In terms of connectivity, the Donner DED-400 excels with its seamless Bluetooth connection. N. The speaker also features a built-in microphone for hands-free phone calls and voice commands, making it perfect for music enthusiasts on the go. N. But what really impressed me was the speaker's ability to connect multiple devices at once. Now that I've shared my honest review of the Donner DED-400, you might be wondering if it's right for you. N. The answer is yes, this speaker delivers on its promises and more. N. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a music lover, the Donner DED-400 is definitely worth considering. For the best price, click the link in the description.